Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the We All Juggle Knives channel and my review of the Thrunite TN12 Pro. Alright, closer look at the light. It has a quickly removable two-way pocket clip. It's got a tail switch, which is protected by these. You've got lanyard slots there as well. This is the charging port cover. It has a side switch. Has a few baffles here, has texture here for grip, it has a smooth reflector, has these cutouts here so that you can see when it's on even if it's like that, and this comes with a number of accessories. A recharging cable, which is Type-C to USB recharging, and it has you've got a lanyard, you've got some spare O-rings, you've got a spare port cover, and of course it came with that clip. Comes with a battery as well. To get at it, you unscrew this. It is an 18650 lithium-ion battery, and you see the capacity there. It also comes with a holster. It has a belt loop there. It has that, and an overflap. Here are the stats on the light. So as you can see, it has 5 brightness levels and one special mode that is strobe. Maximum lumens, 1900 lumens. Maximum beam distance, 380 meters. And you can see the run times there for each mode as well. Operation of the light. If you press this, it goes to turbo right away. If you half press it, it will give you momentary turbo, only as long as you keep it pressed. You can also turn it on by pressing the side switch. It has mode memory, so it will come on in whatever mode you turned it off in, except for the special modes. Alright, so you turn it on to turn it off. You can also press that. Once it is on, you can cycle through low, medium, and high by pressing and holding. Alright, so let's do that. There you go. Now you can also get to turbo with a double tap. You can get to strobe with a triple tap. Okay, warning, we're going to do the strobe. And that is the strobe. This also has a firefly mode. From off, if you press and hold, it will go to an ultra low mode. And there is the firefly mode. You can also lock this out. From there, if you press and hold again until it turns off, it'll be locked out, right? So that's locked. To unlock it, just press and hold again until you get Firefly. Okay, so now this is unlocked. In order to recharge that battery in the light, you hook it up with the recharging cable to any USB power source. This is a power bank. When it is recharging, the indicator light will be red. I don't know if you can see that, but that is red. And when it is fully charged, it will glow blue. At this time I'm going to roll in the outside testing and demonstration footage, and then we'll come back for final thoughts on this light. Hey YouTube, we're out here with this Thrunite light on the old testing board. Alright, so without light, this is what you see. This is the low mode. Let's cycle through. Wow. Let's go turbo. Wow. Okay, so that's the turbo. Warning, we're going to strobe. And that is the strobe. And one more. Let's do the firefly mode. Alright, I don't know if you can see that on the board, but that is the firefly mode. Alright, back to turbo. Wow. Alright, nice and bright. Alright YouTube, overlooking Frog Creek with this new Thrunite. Wow. Lights it up really well. Nice hotspot there. This is the turbo mode. No screwing around, right to the brightest. Wow. Nice. Up to the treetops. Strobing the opposite bank. Down the creek. You see the lit side switch. That's a nice beam. I mean, that's... wow, you can see everything. Look at all the details. Now, without light, there's nothing. okay? Wow, excellent job. I really like this light. Yeah, let's see if I can, I don't know if I can get a good thumbnail. But yeah, this is an excellent light. All right, so that's a Thrunite at Frog Creek. Okay, YouTube, we're out here at the sports field with this Thrunite light. I'm standing in the goal. We're gonna try to cross the field. Let's go turbo. All right, where is that other goal? Okay, there it is. Okay. So you can clearly see that goal. There's definitely a lot of pollen and other crap in the air. Yeah, I can feel my allergies acting up, but... Okay, so I'm back here. This does a great job at crossing the field. Yeah, you can see that. Nice. Yeah, great range on this light, definitely. And we are back. I hope you enjoyed that. So what are my final thoughts and conclusions on this? I really like how they gave you a side switch and a tail switch. And I like how the tail switch, it's just instant turbo. Because there are some times where you just need as much light as possible immediately. And I like that it has the momentary on as well. You know, that's the fastest possible setup to get to the turbo, and it's easy to find a tail switch by touch in the dark. Another thing I like is how slim this is. Notice they've taken care not to make the head of the light any wider than the body of the light, which in turn, that is dictated by the size of the battery that they're using. So this is slim. That smooth reflector, this thing has such good range. 380 meters max beam distance, easily crosses the field. Yeah, this is a thrower. A relatively easy to carry, long throwing light. That's my favorite type of light. It was $50, but I saw there's a 15% off digital coupon, right? So the real price, it's around $42 shipped. So as long as they keep that price as reasonable as it is right now, I am very keen on this light just because it's a very streamlined, long-throwing light. Okay, so I will include links underneath the video if you want to check out the stats on this light or you want to purchase one. And I'll also include a link to the manufacturer's website, Thrunite. You can check out all their stuff. All right, this has been We All Juggle Knives and Lights. I'm out.